the Williams be their bar players ni bi wa ya twoma so na so twen no e bi e ban ne sakra de fan fines nso e de aka ho na mobaka na nsem bi Kumasa Asante Kotoko akọ Tamale ene Karela kobo game na ye pro game no Kotoko goalkeeper and for say Mo Kamara Abrante no referee ko di game no in fact or trying so about sort it but or referee so say obi anya no na ombo eye referee no nanumu ana after the game referee report or the call any videos na circulate no this one committee no so nya bi omo hwem no omo se nya mianu kwene Kumasa Asante goalkeeper and for say Mo Kamara after watching the video any referee report omo de ban ni de omo akasa nso no omo teye no omo free Abrante no ni behavior they no 77 na on sporting and into no there 5 matches Abrante no ontimi nsia kan emfama aya Asante Kotoko boboku no omo we na nso omo se 20,000 Ghana cedis Abrante no nsantua emfa enka ho no make sure say obedan suban pedi so okoso ayi say dia any severe punishment and this no and the Ghana Football Association na enso ebetimi edi amano na Josh baby anope ama me bu ofusa Abrante wi eni the level of indiscipline is too much. Abrante no on just a professional player. So you player now bobo. Referee take a decision now nene nyadua yankobo referee. And for crying out loud, eya Kotoko da usi akayo.
Yeah.
Eya Kotoko Kumasa Asante Kotoko. And now you goalkeeper the man and match team no. Big club like this. Not the bia who go when man good club na di mase. And what about the go jambofu? Abrante we Kotoko ko nso atre. Sabi menkai yetie for yaw. Abrante pole yo nya ne baby ekoyi. Sa game na sem na making. You see, after the game sake of pole issues in Intino,
a bekata ni maybe so.
Nyamana e see o park ni so na bekata so. Sa Abrante we ye. You jan no ko bu referee oni players in tokwa.
But I'm surprised even after that incident obienti meaning antnasi an kasa sem na
professional player do this. O kan ho ana ko bu referee. Ye kire won. Sebi coach level go between us and say we.
Yes sir.
Now a professional goalkeeper like you, the bia referee, the young player no corner so no kobono. What is this? Sabrante me. Say me in charge of Kotoko here ya. Me think can ne contract me terminate no. Onko. No, because on Chelsea a professional player.
And on one year he will continue doing it because if you have done it again, Nasa what's how you be na ye be fine wa. Say fine the utria you would it will
so on ni so utria. Omon fan salary from tua sa aka no. Because I
mean you cannot keep on doing this thing.
And you see when we 5 matches under goal post with Kotoko.
And to go against
the team. Oh, yasu so Abrante so as a bibia no ko player so bibia no ko referee so yasu so the level of indiscipline is too much. Samo kamano. You be crowd. Emma from Pong. Also a welfare officer at the Asante Kotoko. Netie welfare officer Emma from Pong what bobo. Ko Nigeria no nyina ko professional ko game. Welfare officer. Referee be record no the record nechi. What is this? Oh. Too much. What do you say? Me buy now me kind. Shit no. I was like, really? Welfare officer at the Asante, and you see Emma from Pong. At the point you are the captain
of Asante
at the Asante Kotoko. Yeah. You've seen it all.
Yeah.
What professional football a check? What outside the country a couple ball? About welfare officer at the Asante Kotoko. They be come and say, referees, ye ne to come. You say referees, you know, one year or the other. and you mean idea, but it be idea, which I agree. But as professional as you are, no, Sanyama we need a yet. That is why you walk, baby. I say you book game ni no food is a referee no. Nobody bobby anko yamawa. You write it.
Yeah. You register your problems.
Register protest.
No. Yeah.
Now say me call referee no got red card. I finish them. What is this? Olomo we dey me anam nipa no. Ma wa anya de. Former captain pa the man Sancho Kotoko there. Why not there? My expected this and also are you calm. Was a emotion point. Sanko for na head then so benya BBC akafano. Even me playing this ground, me who's an emo will be on. And to be honest with you, me buy and me calm who said it was emotion point. I was like, Emos. Why not there? Into also no 10 matches. Ya banner no. And also ya final no. I get 20,000 Ghana cedis. Awo abrantia ba ko nso ni si akan edema nation subsidy your friend Raymond Oko Gridman so no Kotoko nations mo bobo red flag foul di ama obi aba be twaw which is abetamwa o twan red flag foul di ama abrantia do ref ni je foul na no ko abetamwa so tietia no famo hey Titiana. Enti ono so 5 matches and ye diamano. Say ono so intimi and 7 next time. Intimi into us na onko yesa nema no and so ebiem. Josh,
it's very sad to say we are talking about these things because the world class leagues in this world they don't perform this, they don't do these kind of things.
Yeah.
And the Biane Yasem say we want to see the Ghana Premier League move forward. We want to see it improve in terms of the quality. The person who say, oh, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, at least disciplinary standards are high. At least if for nothing at all, the 2 big clubs in the country, Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Hasselhoff. Let's see a level of discipline in their team, both from the playing body to the technical team and across board. But say in the same way, CC, now it even takes time for us to even determine the punishment that we need to give to them. It tells you that the quality of our league, no, even as we are fighting for it to get to a certain standard, no, the piano a retrogressing. In terms of visibility, you can attest to the fact that this season, no, at least league, no, akone nim kakra. With me, yet me share matches nubi, and then we are able to even analyze it proper. But if some of these things are happening, it erodes the quality that we are looking for in the long term. Because you cannot tell me say referee ebema red card now work red card and referee no. If after the game you have something to say, you have to go to the proper channels. So you can't say league now you're unattractive. You should share investors. It is impossible. It is impossible. Because how can you attract investors when they know very well that when the league gets to certain stages, these are the performances of some of the officials and some of the players. Because as a welfare officer, what business do you have to be doing some of these things? And it's very sad. And I really hope, say, even moving forward, the disciplinary committee, they should look at these things very well. Because, say, oh, fine me 20,000, now me betray 20,000, now oh catch me say, mama, 5 games, sir. Say, if I repeat that same thing.
No, okay, you know, shit, no, I'm say, after hearing, no,
yeah,
and then, sir, ruling we are banner, or my catcher, no. So, 12 years, the next we never banner will be very
it must be stiff.
Yes, 20,000.
No.
5 matches, Libya. And then, only bet you catch us, ban the whole season. But you have 100,000 next time.
Yeah, because our league will continue to decline. It will be unattractive. We will not get investors. And the conversation on many media channels and many media stations, no, they will continue saying bad things about the league. And it's not as if say yeah, league. But in your way, do you expect say good things? That's what we said.
Williams na ba no minim baby I was over say offer the defeat until
at the end of the day, what is most important in any organization is discipline. Into the essay to me is about making sure say the disciplinary standards no sure. Senebeya be serve as major deterrent for any other club if your person or baby visa. Now, maybe the who is your biggest problem as a country, any as a people, and of course the largest thing extended by your bond when they say ye peasim surasem. Say minya bonia. Minya into so channel. But you be near there or yami bonia say me jinazo. We just don't uphold disciplinary standards. I mean, you see it your new community dream because you don't feel it, you think it's just somebody else, and that's what we have to do. The FA and the disciplinary committee have to be up and doing. So we are very strict with the things that they have to do. I mean, forget about this issue of sanctioning, but share licensing bodies, your court stadium, baby as teams ni ball, it's not up to standard. We have to eschew all of those things and allow them go on. Those are the bigger problems I see it me solve for Ghana football. For me, I'm all for discipline. I don't see it me do baby a discipline Look at the issue of Hoho United or Free League and how we probably could have even mitigated all of these issues. But Hoho feels almost feel say they have been undone by certain things. Wabaneno. Wabrea kwa share mediama away from home. Time okokobo game ni bi wo fie nyeska kakra ni ade no. Yes, just okokobo game was wedru. All of these things, the timing of it and discipline and how we view it. So, SGF in finding ways of line clubs thing and I say punishment be just will be town. But say amaswa it impedes the development of the game. I think that Nyameka I don't know with respect to the issues of discipline or Ghana Premier League in Rich.
Okay. I don't know. Insurance 0425, who's our brand to be the message be about CA. I say, okay, your friend guest. I say, if I'm ready to show you a red card, and you approach and take it from me, it deprives me from showing it to you. Say that.
I think that's what you're trying to say. Say, Oba say, ref, and he's a no, yeah. Stronger than
David. Imofrimpong was once the captain at the Kotoko.
Yeah.
And playing days no crown. Imofrimpong you be sad.
Yeah.
And then now you are a legend of the club.
Yeah.
Club if you say soon abe sumo no. Ye the way they dawase. Nti be welfare officer. Efa mine. See a kobo game. Now the players now say you are fair no bobo ni bi no because what bobo no at the highest level.
Exactly.
So ni ma won so chon debi. As a professional player you don't do that.
Yeah.
So refugee bi na nya adwen a twen ye bo game ni wi a.
Yeah.
They be call the appropriate contest on ya register your displeasure to them.
Yeah.
But wona once now we are captain and Kotoko asem ni aka o. Missing came to Obiaso, Utukaya, apart from Black Stars, no. Obia or Baka Ghana football once in Biano, or Bokotokodin. Koto were too big. Anything a man of me boy for Pano. More Kamara or Sadian or too much.
He's an indisciplined guy.
As a 777 ya cry or Ninianti Anibi. It's a Musa, I'm saying. Refugee bibi on any other no console. Ye munja me mabu refi no me sa. Enti na me de instructor give me example no. Say because of sebi. Paul enya ni ba bi ko enti no. Enyema as branch o ye no park no e be kata so. Enti am ye ntimi an kan ye. Ene didi mu a ensenhunu sa. I mean so we obi out time for Kotoko pa. Anytime be incident he is the first player of call this year. And as I say born or bono. So I don't know. So a too big at the market to go. So a too big the my league, you know. Some who come to me as animawi. So refugee BB and me ma come say your crew my refugees, you know. Most of them on yard, which I agree 100%, even 200%. But as a professional player, you don't do these things. Yeah. And you share Charles in a you can say bright game maybe. Referee. And this is maybe
questionable.
Questionable. But who say you play because of no. England. So refugee bibi na sebi. Who can be Ukraine yet me show yellow card.
Yeah.
Because he is in charge. Mo kamara no wa wo be dan ye hu go bia odama Kotoko yi. De bia o de ka be fie. To de me so mo man onu ntua. To ri ta mo bia fa no wan city o mo timfi na katuam. The level of indiscipline here too much. Unko na won ti asemase. The some fufu party no baso. Fufu ndi e dia e bidi.